What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another vlog. So I got ready for a small little beautiful ride with my dear friend Ghatani. He's on his way to my place, so you're going to a nearby place. I'll tell you the information on the way. Alright, it's a beautiful cloudy day. Not sure if it would rain or not, but let's see how does it go. By the way, right now the time is 9:36 AM in the morning. Okay, अभी फिलहाल I'm ready. वो आएगा फिर उसका कुछ सेटअप करना है बिकॉज ही ऑल्सो स्लोली वांट्स टू गेट इनटू मोटो व्लॉग. और फिर फ्यूल अप करेंगे, टायर प्रेशर चेक करेंगे एंड विल बी हिटिंग द रोड्स. लेट्स मीट यू ऑन द बाइक. কি খবৰ ঘাটানি? হেলমেটটো ছেটআপটো কৰি ল'লা, মেমৰি কাৰ্ড নাই, তাৰপিছত মটো ব্লগিং কৰিবা নেকি? মজা আছে. ঠিক আছে, ব'লা এতিয়া ওলাই দিওঁ. পেট্ৰল পাম্পত যাওঁ, হেৰি চেৰি ভৰাই লওঁ. ঠিক আছে, হ'লনে? Alright, what is up, beautiful people? Long time no see on this pop, right? It's been quite a long and a while, I would say. Right now, my front prop is going to be so awesome, man. This is going to be so cool. Fuel dekh rahe ho? Ye halat hai. So right now the time is 10:12. Okay, let's keep moving. Yaar, hi koi diya. Let's go and fuel up. Rest everything after that, okay? तेल जब नहीं होता है ना, बाइक ऐसा हल्का लगता है. मैं 2 दिन से एकदम कम तेल में चला रहा हूँ. जो मज़ा आ रहा है ना भाई, पूछो मत. मतलब अलग ही फील है एकदम. Here is my office IndiCube. Like it's in the IndiCube building only. I always prefer that Bangalore में अगर तुम हो और तुम अगर 10 किलोमीटर दूर रह रहे हो भाई, you are wasting most precious and important part of your life, time of your life. I don't prefer that. अभी fuel up करके एकदम full कर लेते हैं. Full. Alright, fueling is done. Now I'm just putting up the map. Yes sir?
पंचर.
Puncture?
हवा नहीं जाएगा, पंचर गाड़ी.
कैसे? Wait. Let me see. एक second. Now try. हैं? कहाँ से पंक्चर हो रहा है?
पंचर गाड़ी.
कहाँ से?
शिकमोड़िया कड़े पंचर है.
ओए घटानी, पंक्चर को ऐसे बे? पंक्चर होल बोले? पारी? की फालतू बे? हाँ 42. This one is 50. Yeah. Kakon. YouTube. Kakon. KAKON.
Just a minute.
First one. Yeah. Thank you. Okay bro. Yeah. All right. कौन करता है? क्या लाख है भाई. भैया पंक्चर हो गया बोला, एक बार चेक कर दीजिए ना.
पंचर
नहीं है ना?
पंचर होना हवा होना था.
हाँ.
पंचर नहीं.
क्या है फिर ये?
हवा कम है थोड़ा.
तो अभी पंक्चर आप नहीं बोले, हम वहाँ पे आप एक बार ट्राई करेंगे घुसा के.
हवा डाल.
चलिए वहाँ पे. माय भाई साहब 32 ही मार दीजिए. बढ़िया, थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू. जान बचा लिए आप. हाँ हो गया ना भैया. थैंक यू सो मच भैया. हाँ, ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो. Alright, finally we are on our way. From here we'll be taking our right, and then from there a small right again, and then go straight. Ghatani, you remember this was the place when you and Molloy came, no, for the first time in Bangalore? You stayed here, somewhere here on. You used to come and have juice, drinks and everything here. Yeah, your hotel was also somewhere here only. Yeah man. And you took a subscription of one year for 7,000 and you just went for 1 week, man. No man, rich people problems. Yeah, that's what, no, right? You can come this side also, that's fine. Okay, just get out on the main way. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Let's pull a little, yeah. Alright, what's up, beautiful people? Here's your very own moto jockey Kakun. Let's get started. So today, and my dear friend Ghatani, aka Hriday, are going for a dam nearby. It's a small and beautiful 100-kilometer ride both ways. So we are right now out, and thank God we didn't have a tire change problem. So that was a good luck actually. Now the thing is, take flyover. Okay, come over the flyover. Okay, don't go that side. Yeah, all right. Just like I say, what a beautiful day to be alive, man. It's a beautiful Saturday noon or morning, late morning, 10:31 a.m. and the day is a bit cloudy. Now we'll have some good meal somewhere then. Baki, how's everything going, guys? It's been so long. I'm back on ride. I don't know what to talk. Hoping that I'll make something out. Okay, keep you guys entertained through the tip, because a very long ride is coming on our way, and I hope you guys are getting a very good view right now, because your bro is having a new camera and things should be looking pretty fine is what I'm hoping. So this is HSR. So we have reached HSR layout. From here, if you take left, you go towards the HSR part of the town, but we gonna go till Silk Board, okay, or Outer Ring Road. From there we'll be taking left, and going out of town is the point where the fun begins. Yeah, keep going straight. We need to take the flyover. So last day I went to this what is it called, Wonderla, no? So it has the same direction. Yeah. So this is the place from where we'll pass today. Me and Shehzad, we took our stay like before going home for COVID, no? We kept all our things there, you remember? Yeah. So that's one place through which we'll pass by today. Man, the traffic. Still, like, the traffic is movable today. If it was weekday, they should be crazy. So this bag that Hriday is having on his back, so we had a workshop in our college days. So he is still having that. Yeah, that was 2018. The bags are actually very good. So my one is right now being used by my brother. So it's really good actually. The size and shape and everything. This is Mangana Manapalya. No man. This belongs to which state? Like TS is? Telangana. Okay. Alright, so we are partially on the highway. From here a small right and we should be on the main highway. Yeah, sure it is. Let's pull a little now. Man, how is this guy riding? Man, I had my leg day yesterday, and today on a ride it's going to pain for sure. Let's see how far. So if you see towards the right side, that's where what is the name, I forgot. This was the area like where me and Shehzad used to stay, no? Awesome. Have you crossed the signal? Okay. Yeah, I just crossed now. No, not yet. Okay, I'm not seeing yet. Wait. Just stop on the left side, okay? Like before going into that circular thing. Oh, yeah. I need to go towards the left side, okay? I have crossed that some building area now. Wait. Okay, I can see you. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, man, this place is, from here the roads will be like super sexy, man. Alright guys, so we are between the trucks now, because we have reached our first toll of the day, and we are approximately 1 hour 1 minute, that is 42 kilometers from our destination. Alright, we gotta pay here. Place name, wait, Manachanaballe Dam. 130 for 2 bikes, right? We are another 58 kilometers. We should not take much time. All right. Oh. Go, go, go. Bro is pulling in hard. You know guys how many devices I'm wearing now? I was just counting. It's like 4 devices that I'm wearing, and that's crazy, man. No, this side only, this side. This circular loop is really pretty actually, you know. This looks really pretty. Yeah, there is a toll here. We need to show. Two people, okay? Let's go. I guess we can have the lunch only directly. I don't have any problem. This place, yeah, this is like a bit of outskirts, I would say, completely in Bangalore. We can go straight as well. Let's go straight, man. It's just 5 minutes. I don't want to go inside all shit. Let's go straight. Do you think so? I don't think so. Bangalore is very it's very risky in Bangalore to take the small ways, you know. Yeah, man, like I'm also waiting for that. But for today's ride, I am not hoping for a very good stretch where we can get some good scenery. Oh, I have to change my battery. We'll stop somewhere, okay? Hitting the roads again. So we stopped to check for Ghatani's memory card, but looks like they don't have the right one. So we are getting back on track. And to let you guys know, the place is another just 16 kilometers from here. So it's very near. And the worst part is, we haven't even crossed the concrete jungle, bro. So that is pretty bad. Yeah, man. Looks real Gurukul. From here, take this memory card. Come here, come here. I am done with the front VOV. Yeah, so then you'll have the 4K view, else you want it. Alright, so now Ghatani also has his motovlogging setup. He's doing some trial runs. Let's see how it feels for him.
So it's the exactly same road for Wonderla?
Yes, exactly same. I guess Wonderla will be on the way only.
How was it? How was Wonderla?
It's so fun, man. It's so fun. I loved it. Yeah, I told you guys, you guys didn't come with me, man.
We have to go somewhere.
Yeah, that's fine. Only if you guys pay for my ticket, then I will go.
How much is it?
1500. Alright guys, we are back to Wonderla again.
Oh, we are climbing somewhere.
Yeah, man. So now I guess we have taken a different direction from what I took for Wonderla actually. Alright, a bit of jungle finally.
I got your POV, you get my POV.
Yeah, that's nice.
One side by side.
Record me also, record me, man. No one did for me till date.
I am recording. This is the first time, yeah, you will have such footage.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes. This is fun. Finally, we had some green actually, no? Oh my god. It was a pretty high speed breaker. Man, the breeze feels so cold now, no? Feels so good. What I'm thinking this time when I'll go home, once I'm back, I'll bring the camping stuff also. I have a stove. Man, so much of dust. Oh my god. Also guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay? Because fun is just getting started. So many beautiful trips yet to come for sure. I am hoping that there will be some place to eat nearby the dam. This looks pretty. Bye bye. Malatanahalli. Yes, Malatanahalli. Yes, looks like now we are actually into a village or rural area. Yeah. Oh, nice. Should we take some fruit from here? We can take some actually. Let's take it. They have the what is it called? This bucket? No, small buckets. Yeah, let's take it and take 2 bottles of water as well. भैया ये एक कितना पार्सल हो जाएगा? प्राइस भैया? 50 रुपीज़. ओके. Oh my god. केने का स्पीड गोइसे ड्रिफ्ट माइसे वे. Oh man. Alright guys, so we are just 2.6 kilometer from the spot and we have taken our meal for the day, so that should be absolutely fine. And we can already feel the cold breeze, so it feels really good actually. Oh, we have a small shop to eat anda and all also. That's nice. Actually, I love eating in this kind of small shops. Like it's more delicious than the big hotels, you know. These guys are doing off-road. Oh, fish.
I think this is like a common picnic spot.
I guess so, you are right.
Oh my god.
Wow, man. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Man, this is so beautiful.
Oh my god. Whoa. Was not expecting this.
Yeah, man. Same here. भैया डैम किस तरह जाता है? डैम सीधा आने के बाद आपको यहाँ पे खाएंगे. ओके. या विल कम एंड ईट. या ओके. मुखत पानी आई গৈছে বে মোৰ. Oh বে. Oh, we have to take this one. Okay. Nice. There, let's do it there. Yes. Arey, it takes you places. That's the best part. Baki sab zen 10. Alright guys, so we have reached the spot. Now we'll be moving towards the dam. Just making sure everything is in place. Let's go. How was the ride, Ghatani? Oh, this side. It's not always the long rides that we want, right? Because, you know, from last time how we went for our ride, and did you feel a little bit more comfortable today?
Of course.
Because it's the second time, no? And like for the next one, it will be more comfortable.
We are getting used to it.
Yeah, that's what. Wireless mic. That's the best part. Yeah, that's like a super advantage we have today. Alright. Huh? Pahar. Bro, which side, like for a good spot to sit? You recommend upside? Okay. Let's go up, man.
Because you can't go after the one. They put one border there.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's good. No, come. We have water, we have food, we have good company. Things are, yeah.
It's like a mini hike.
Yeah, man. Oh, it looks beautiful actually. There you can sit, see that place. They have some kind of border, I guess. Oh, this is so nice. People are sitting here and eating. Hi guys. What's up guys? We can go more up? Okay, thank you bro. Focus. Say hi. Say hello guys. We had our breakfast. with some good fruits. We tried to do some trespassing, but we're not allowed.
We tried.
Yeah, and this is the view from here. We're on top of some mountain right now. There, it's a dam water. Alright, guys. So we were sitting here out of nowhere, and we got some new friends here. Say hi.
Hello.
Your name is Shalendar.
Yeah,
Your?
Varshit.
Varshit. So they stay nearby only. Alright, so we are down and going to a place nearby, the top only, for our lunch. Because we promised that guy, and we do keep our promise. Hello, Anna. Bike. Okay.
Plate.
No, it's okay.
Chutney.
Yes. Okay. We were really very hungry at that point of time, so we had a lot of fishes, almost like 2 to 3 different kinds of varieties of fish that we had, and soon we were on the roads and between the traffic. So we went through the traffic for quite a while, and then after some point we had to say bye. Tada. Okay. Then from there we took our separate ways. If you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Signing off for the vlog, your very own Moto Jockey Kakon. Thank you so much. Ride safe, stay close to your loved ones. Bye bye, take care. Meet you very soon on our next vlog.